Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how to install the Galaxy S9 theme on any Samsung device.
Before getting started, make sure that you have pressed the red subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for future updates. Don't forget to like our official Facebook page for more information and free modules. Join our official Facebook group for important links and for more discussion. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
You will get the APK file on our official Facebook group. It was previously posted on our group. Here you can see Galaxy S9 theme APK. So you can download this APK from our group and all the links you will get in our group. I have got this APK from the XDA devs. After you have downloaded this file, let's go to the next process to apply the theme on any Samsung device. Go to the app info of Samsung Galaxy themes. First of this APK, and now clear the data of this APK. Then go to the file manager and install the APK you have downloaded from our official Facebook group. After downloading this, go to the theme store. Wait for it. When it is loaded, here you can see installation complete. Now go to the theme section and here you can see it is trial UX9. You have to buy this theme. It is a trial version, so now you have to make it that you can use this theme in free, because in a trial theme you can use this theme for 5 minutes and then you will automatically install or apply the default theme on your phone. So let's go to the next process. Now go to a root browser. I am using the Mi Explorer, and go to the root section, go to data and find overlay. Go to overlay and go to JSON files and go to trial JSON files and cut the file and paste it to user After that, go back and here you can see the preference. Delete this preference folder and reboot your system. I will be back when reboot is done. After reboot, go to the Samsung themes and go to the theme section, and here you can see the UX9 was fully free. You don't have to buy this. By this process you can remove the trial version of any Samsung theme you want. So apply this theme. Here you can see the theme was applied. The new icons, the status bar icons was changed, notification icon was changed. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure that you have pressed the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for future updates, and also like our official Facebook page for more information and free modules. Join our official Facebook group for importance link and for more discussion. Have a good day.